and you can see that this drainage line is flowing right past their. It is filthy, it is stinking, and reading. Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive, just opposite the council hall on one side. This road is called the Alpa Bachat Bhavan Road. We have Residency Club on one side, Council Hall on this side. There are residential quarters on the opposite side as well, and Southern Command just behind. So right in front, I'm standing next to a drainage which has been overflowing for the past several weeks. Pune Times Mirror had covered this particular area where 3 more drainages were taking place, but those 2 have stopped. But this one continues to spill over. There is a very foul odor emanating from this overflowing sewage water. And if we take a small walk, you can see that this is now flowing past the MNGL gas pipeline milestone kind of a rock, and then this sewage water, which is now turned green with a lot of algae and moss, is a health hazard for the residents of opposite this sewage overflow. It's possibly a police quarters or an army residential quarters right opposite. And you can see the distance that this sewage has been flowing, this drainage. It has gone right past the council hall. There you can see some residential quarters as well on your left. So there are residents of the government guest house staying here, and you can see that this drainage line is flowing right past their. It is filthy, it is stinking, and breeding flies. There are a whole lot of health hazards that can take place, and it is flowing for at least a distance of over 150 meters. So such kind of a drainage overflow is a common sight in Pune. It exacerbates during the monsoon, where the flow and the spillage goes to new levels. And no matter what the PMC drainage department does, the flow refuses to stop. So council hall, as a passerby just told me, a commuter, that the council hall is just opposite. So the people in the council hall, the people staying in the nearby residence, the guest house of the council hall, all these people who are staying here are prone to all kinds of diseases. You can see at the rate that this water is flowing, torrents. And this is not something which has just happened. This is something which has been taking place. The spillage has been taking place for over several weeks. There were 2 other spots in the distance, but now those have stopped. This continues to overflow. And there is a foul. Imagine the people who are living right next to this drainage overflow, and it's just gushing out, you know. So the PMC drainage department, the cantonment, actually this is a cantonment area, so the PCB needs to come and stop this immediately. Otherwise it's going to create a lot of health hazards for the people who are staying here. And for the other quarters, Alpa Bachat Hall is just ahead, where a lot of visitors come for marriages and other kinds of events. There are police quarters right ahead also. There are a lot of residential quarters all around. So unless this issue is immediately looked into and this drainage is stopped, there are bound to be severe health consequences for the people living in this area. So this is exactly opposite the Alpa Bachat Bhavan. It is opposite Council Hall, Southern Command at one end, Residency Club on the other hand. So this is the situation here, and PCB, the Pune Cantonment Board, needs to look into this and stop the drainage flow immediately. This is Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror with camera person Swapnil, right opposite Council Hall.